Star fade into you. Let's get into it. It's very simple. It is simply putting the capo on the 2nd fret. In that case, you don't have any bar chords. The chords of G major, D major, and A minor. Stay to the end. I'm going to give you some cool little Easter egg techniques that you can do that will make this sound even cooler. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to take those chords, play those with a 3/4 time signature rhythm. It's going to go like this. Down, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, down, up, down, up. That's officially 1, 2, and 3, and. Do that with me one time. 1, 2, and 3, and. Got it? Now let's do it twice in a row. 1, 2, and 3, and. 1, 2, and 3, and. Once you can do that, you're ready. Essentially, think of that as a single measure. Let's go and do that single measure for G. Same thing for D. And then we're going to go 2 measures for the A minor. And once you can put all that together, then I want you to emphasize the 1 per that little thing we did. 1, 2, and 3, and, right? Emphasize the 1. Gives it a lot, right? So build your skills up to that point, and that's the entire song. That's all it is. Now, if you stayed this long, I'm going to go ahead and give you a couple of neat little Easter eggs that you'll see me do. So you probably saw in the opening on the A minor, I did this A sus2 for a second. I like to do that on the 1 personally. You can do whatever you want, but that takes a little bit of practice. Because your brain might think that's like 2 separate things. Nope, that's just beat 1. And that's the other Easter egg that I like to do, is I'll put my pinky here on that B string 3rd fret. Right, there's a little hammer on, and then off. Right, so play around with that concept. You're essentially utilizing the scale that it's in. I've got a video for that as well. It should be popping up shortly, or I'll put it below, talking about G major open scale, and you'll understand where I'm coming from on that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.